along the wild shores of southwest Corsica. Ancient sentinels rise from granite cliffs. Built by Genoese hands 5 centuries ago. These towers once guarded the edges of a maritime empire. "67 towers still stand across the island. But here, along this rugged southwestern coast, witnesses to storms, wars, and the endless passage of time. From Capo di Muro, one of the best preserved of all Genoese towers. Where ancient stone meets a modern lighthouse, 5 centuries apart, yet both still guide travelers across these waters. From its stone walls, guardians once watched the horizon, ready to warn of approaching danger. Not far south stands Capo Nero, a granite giant overlooking turquoise waters, once linking fires from tower to tower. At Rocapina, where granite lions watch over emerald seas. Red stone meets crystal blue. In perfect harmony. At Castagna, surrounded by holiday homes, a solitary tower stands defiant against the modern world. Then the Sanguinaires, where young Napoleon once wandered with his brother. These islands earned their name from the blood-red glow that sets their granite ablaze at sunset. Here, a future emperor dreamed of distant conquests from the nearby Tower of La Parata, built in 1550. Guardians once watched for the same pirates that would later terrorize the South. But no tower carries a darker burden than Campoamoro, built in the shadow of tragedy, when pirates swept ashore in the dead of night. 400 souls from Sartène vanished into captivity. In response, James erected